Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your ASUS router. First, let's get everything ready. Carefully unbox your new router and identify all the included accessories. You should find the router itself, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Take a moment to locate the power input and the WAN port on the back of your router. This ensures you know where everything connects. Now, let's make the essential connections. Plug the power adapter into your ASUS router and then into a wall outlet. Next, take one end of the included Ethernet cable and connect it to the LAN port on your existing modem. The other end of that same Ethernet cable goes into the WAN port on your new ASUS router. With the hardware connected, it's time to access the router's settings. Connect your computer to the router, either wirelessly or using another Ethernet cable. Open your preferred web browser and type router. ASUS. COM into the address bar. You'll then be prompted to enter the default username and password, which are usually admin for both. You're almost done. The router's interface will likely guide you through an initial setup wizard. Follow these steps to configure your basic network settings. Crucially, change your Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and set a strong, unique password. Finally, check for and install any available firmware updates to ensure your router has the latest features and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.